Hello. So we are on Holland, America, Nieuw, Statendam, and we are in one of the spa interior rooms. So come on in and I'll give you a tour. So when you first walk in, you're going to have closet space areas, kind of rather large, lots of storage space. This one is kind of a half area where you can hang stuff, and then on the left is a larger one that goes all the way down. I think only the yoga mats come with the spa rooms as part of like the spa category. We also have the Holland America towels, and then we have a laundry bag in here. We did purchase the unlimited laundry for, I think it was like $59.50 for unlimited laundry for the week. Lots and lots of hangers, so I really like that. You've got your safe, and the spa rooms also came with bathrobes, a little mini fridge, and then you've got 3 drawers here to store stuff, also some wine glasses, ice bucket, and storage areas here also. And then we've already taken a peek of the bathroom, and the shower is a good shower. For the shower, I mean, it's a pretty good sized one. Like, I can almost stretch all the way out, which is great. You've got the handheld thing here that can go up and down. The spa rooms do have upgraded amenities as far as like shampoo and stuff. Then you've got your toilet and your sink vanity area here. Moving on to the bedroom, we've got the vanity mirror. You've got 2 plug-ins, a USB charger here, another plug-in light switch, and then you've got extra storage here as far as some drawers. They do give you a hair dryer and a makeup mirror, which is nice. This is also a little seating bench that will open up for additional storage. End table, and then on both sides of the bed you have one regular plug-in and the USB. And then finally you've got your TV, and then here I guess you could store maybe, I don't know, books or something in this area, smaller items if you needed the extra space. All in all, the room is a little small, but it does have lots and lots of storage spaces, so that's going to be wonderful. Even the 2 end tables have the extra drawers next to the beds for extra storage, extra lighting. Hope that didn't shine right in the camera. So we're very happy with the room. It's very close to the spa, and we are about to head down and get us a spa pass for the week.